Real authentic Thai food right there. I ain't never tasted nothing like that. You can't get that in America.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we secured the bag. I got the salted fish, stir fried rice. I got the noodles over here. They also gave me these packs right here. All this and all that. About to see what it's sitting on. I ain't gonna lie, this shit look good. Sharpen up the what's in there. And make sure you say your grace. Alright. So we're gonna try first a little bit without the seasoning. Bro, that's crazy. That's seasoning. Seasoning. Now I know this is gonna make it more spicy too though. So I'm gonna see. I ain't gonna lie, that's like a 9. I think this is some of the best fried rice I ever had. And I ain't even capping. Whoa. It's crazy. Another one of these packets right here. Now, we got the noodles and the chicken too. Show y'all that shit. Oh no, ain't no cucumbers, just basil. This for real right here. I ain't gonna cap with you. It's spicy already. I don't even think I need to add nothing to this one. It's a noodle one. It's like a, so with chow mein chicken. Man. W food. One thing I'm gonna say about Thailand, man, bro. When you go out, you gonna get the best food. Don't be trying to get like no American food, no Western food. Try the Thai food. Thai food is fire. Thanks for watching to the end of the video, man. Y'all like, subscribe, turn the notifications on, daily uploads.